recently engaged woman. So happy. Obviously one of the first things that I wanted to do was make my bridesmaids gifts because they're so special to me and it wouldn't be the same if I didn't have them by my side. So I just wanted to share with you how I made my bridesmaids boxes. I did a little DIY because I didn't want to spend a ton of money on them. Not that my bridesmaids aren't special, of course, they are, and they're worth every bit of it, but I just wanted to save a couple dollars here and there because weddings are really expensive. So sad. So I basically did these, not basically, I did them myself. I did them myself. So I really wanted to go for that dreamy palm look, but there wasn't any mini palms, so we kind of, me and Adrian and my mom, Adrian is my fiance, we created these little mini flower bouquets with a DIY palm leaf in the back. So we used these boxes that were from Amazon and then this little twine that was from Joann's. And the flowers were also from Joann's, and this one was a little baby's breath one, and obviously the little palm that we made, that Adrian made with so much love. So the idea behind the boxes was I really wanted to incorporate some of the things that we're going to be including in our wedding. So as far as some of the colors, we really wanted to go for like those blush, pink tones, the neutrals. That's why we incorporated this lovely brown box and the twine. So a little bit of that earth vibe. And then in the inside, I didn't really want to make anything that wasn't useful. So that's why I wanted to incorporate things that were thoughtful, that I felt like were important to me. And I didn't want to have anything monogrammed because I feel like you can't really, I don't know, it wasn't the vibe. Monogram was not the vibe. And I didn't want anything to say bridesmaid because I feel like you cannot use that again. Like, when are you gonna use that again? I don't know. You're not gonna use it again. So I just wanted to use things that were important to me, that kind of symbolized my friendship with my bridesmaids, and that when they opened it, they would think of me and they would think about our friendship and our relationship, and they're all really girly, so they're gonna love it, hopefully. So like I mentioned, I'm balling on a budget, so I found the boxes over on Amazon, the best place ever, and they had Prime, so they shipped in one day. And then I got the flowers from Joann's and the paper from Amazon that we made the palm trees with. Inside, I filled them with this little squiggly thing that is from Joann's, and it's earth tones mixed with rose gold, which is one of my favorite colors that we're gonna be incorporated into the wedding. This little pin is another thing that I put into bridesmaids boxes, and this is actually from Alphabet Bags on Etsy. And they have the bridesmaids one, I have a bride one, there's also a mother of the bride, and there's also a mother of the groom. But there's just these super cute pins that I absolutely loved when I saw them. They're made from the UK, so it took a little bit to ship, but it actually came through super fast. They're really affordable too, and you can actually pick whatever combination that you want for however many bridesmaids that you have. So if you have 5 bridesmaids or you have 2, you can literally just tell her what you want and she'll send it over to you. And then you can also add the pins with however many, like if you want a mother of the bride or another mother of the bride, or I don't know if they had a groom one, but they were super cute. So I highly recommend these. They're really nice. And my idea with these was that I really want to take a picture with our denim jackets and these little lovely pins. I also got these little items from Becca. So this is one of the blushes, and it's in the color Camellia. It looks like that. Is my cameraman in the shot? No, good. And then this little one was a shimmering, the highlighter, and this is in Moonstone. And then the other thing that I have is the First Light priming filter from Becca again. So these 3 little items actually came in a little mini kit, and I found that at the Nordstrom rack. So I wanted to make sure that these items were things that they're gonna be using, and they're all really girly and they love makeup, so I'm sure they're gonna be excited when they see it. They also like Becca as well. And then Becca is one of my favorite brands, so honestly, like when I found it, it was so perfect. I was like, wow, I need to put this in the boxes because it's just so me. And then the last thing that is included in my little lovely boxes is gonna be this little card that's gonna have their name on it, and it says, "Will you be my bridesmaid?" So these are actually from Rifle Paper Co. They come in a pack of a pack of 8, or you can get them individually. And then the one that I did have to get individually was my Maid of Honor card. So it's the same, except the colors are a little bit different, but I wanted her to have a little special card because she's gonna have a little special box. So in her box, it's pretty similar. She's gonna have a pin as well, but hers is a Maid of Honor pin. How cute! And it's so perfect because she's British and it's Maid of Honor. So perfect. I love it. And then she's gonna have this little nail polish from Etsy. And this one is called Not Just a Pretty Face from Etsy. And then for my glittery gal, she's gonna have Follow the Call of the Disco Ball, this little scrub from Frank. And honestly, I feel like I just wanted to go with some colors and some things that kind of went together. So she might be a little bit stressed, so I wanted her to have a nice scrub to exfoliate while she's in the shower. And then this cute little nail polish, which goes perfectly with the vibe of her wedding, and that nice little blush tone pink. And then obviously again, we have this fun little paper. So yeah, and then the card. So this sums up my bridesmaids boxes. I just wanted to show you, not just show you, I honestly just wanted to document. Not just show you, I just wanted to document everything that I'm gonna be doing during this time period. I know it's gonna fly by, so honestly, the more that I document, the better, because then I get to remember it when I look for it in the future. And I get to remember this happy time. Honestly, being engaged is so fun. I love it. Everyone is just so happy and they're congratulating me. We're 3 months in, I'm still getting congratulations. So I just love it. And I really just wanted to show somebody that's interested in trying to make a box on a budget, because I was really interested and I looked up tons of videos. So for anything that I have or I put in here, I'll definitely put a link below. And if this is slightly interesting or entertaining, I am trying to make videos. I'm gonna try to document, so just let me know by giving me a thumbs up and a subscribe down below as well. And I'm looking forward to making some more videos just to document my process and just take, you know, my few little followers that I have along for the ride.